Welcome to the wonderful artistic sound of some of today's most talented poets. For the first time, you're about to hear the extraordinary artistry of special individuals whose work comprises the International Library of Poetry Editor's Favorite Poets. From the United Kingdom, we hear the poetry of Yasmin Habib. The meter of this piece elegantly enhances the emotional state captured by the author. This pattern of rhythm allows us to better understand the stresses and surprises the poet has put in place. We also hear how those stresses and surprises affect the meaning of the poem. Finders Keepers. It's hard, so hard to comprehend that each little tale doesn't have a happy ending. Questions remain unanswered, ever pending. One does need to pretend. Past doesn't matter anymore. Paths cross just for a while, leaving behind the embers of memories, etching upon the frozen time a warm, glowing smile, the smile of content. All puzzles in the maze of life are solved. Search is over, tears dried, lost pieces found, the gaps abridged. Heart implies it's there for good. Prudence compels, it needs to be understood. Finders may not necessarily always be the keepers. Logic prevails, grief deepens, hurt mourns each grave of shattered dreams. Pondering along a twisted street to forget or to believe the moments that deemed right. Soul screams ever after, every day and every night. It's hard, so hard to comprehend. Yasmin Habib.